Ito naman. Ganda sa liver to.
Be! Ali, tamis sa mangga.
We bring a large beetroot peel it and then cut it into small
Di ba rin
pieces.
tamis sa
Beets
mangga?
help support the production of detoxification enzymes,
Ay,
which
di
help the
ba,
liver get rid of
di ba,
toxins
di ba,
more efficiently.
di ba,
Second, we bring an apple, peel it well, and then cut it
Ano
into
sila?
small pieces. Apples are full of
Ano nilagay mo dyan?
antioxidants. They work to protect
Nilagay mo
liver
lang
cells
ng
from
konti.
damage caused by
Para
free
matamis ko
radicals
siya
and
mamaya.
oxidative stress. Third, we bring a lemon and cut it into small pieces. The natural citric acid found in lemons helps improve liver function by helping dissolve harmful substances and prevent their accumulation. Fourth, we bring an orange, peel it, and
Kaya
cut it into
ano
small
ka? Ano
pieces.
dyan?
Fifth, we bring a piece of ginger, peel it, and
May
cut it
part
into
siyang
small
ano, may
pieces.
part siyang
Ginger
Kaya pala naka-video ka.
accumulation of
Pilingon.
which reduces the risk of non-alcoholic fatty
May
liver
part talaga,
disease.
basta baka matamis yung nakain niya, no?
Finally,
Kasi
we
may
prepare
part man
all the
na tamis, tapos may part
put
din
all
na
the
maasim.
ingredients in the blender. Mix them all in the blender. Then filter the drink into a glass.
Okay,
You will
sir.
find a magical effect. Write to me in a comment if you will try the drink and share the video with your friends and family. And do not forget to save the video. Thank you.
Maganda pala to sa ano.
Bring the clear liver in just
Clear
3
liver,
days.
liver.
First, we bring a large beetroot, peel it, and then cut it into small pieces. Beets help support the production of detoxification
Ako, hindi
enzymes,
magkawat
which
tayo.
help the liver get
Siyempre,
rid of toxins more
sarap.
efficiently. Second, we bring an apple, peel it well, and then cut it into small pieces. Apples are full of antioxidants.
Basta
They work to
kawatan mo,
protect
kain
liver
siya.
cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Third, we bring a lemon and cut it into small pieces. The natural citric acid found in lemons helps improve
Renat,
liver function
upang
by
itaon
helping
ganyan, ma'am,
dissolve
siya, inang
harmful
nadaot na.
substances and prevent their accumulation. Fourth, we bring an orange, peel it, and cut it into small pieces.
Tirador ka sa
Fifth, we bring a
mangga.
piece of ginger,
You're
peel
such
it,
a
and
big
cut it into
liar.
small pieces. Ginger is
Tinuruan
good
pa.
for liver